We are honored to host our valued U.S. customers for a comprehensive demonstration of our LED display expertise. The tour started with our LED screen gallery, where the customer explored cutting-edge products from ultrafine pixel pitch indoor screens to rugged outdoor rental displays. Technology demonstrations highlighted innovations in HDR imaging, seamless splicing technology, and energy-efficient thermal management systems. The tour continued to our LED aging workshop, where a rigorous 72-hour stress test was conducted to simulate extreme environments, temperature cycling, humidity exposure, voltage fluctuations, to verify product reliability. The customer observed real-time data monitoring of brightness consistency and color calibration processes. This interactive experience reinforced EagerLED's commitment to engineering excellence and global service capabilities. We look forward to deepening our partnership through customized display solutions.